So guys, welcome to my channel. So first method, go to www.gigabyte.com. This is the official website, so you can download the driver Gigabyte any devices. So you can see right hand side, just search bar, you just enter your model number of your motherboard, X870E AORUS XTREME AI top, and then hit enter. After that, you can see here the click on product. This is different AMD support and RAM also. So configuration sort there. Click on here on title on motherboard. After that, click on support. Then guys, select your operating system, which is using Windows 10 and 11. If you have a different like Windows 10, so you can follow this method to install this driver. Okay. So first of all, this is audio driver. Just click to download. When you click on download, after you can see here, use any browser. You can see here automatically start the browsing. It is depend about your internet. If your internet if you have good internet speed, so you can download easily and fast. Then click to downloaded X WinRAR file. Then you can see this is open. After that, you can see here the access exe, and just click on double click on the driver. This is actually extracted file. So after you click on this setup, so automatically extract to your system. After that, you can see the required access like that, yes or no. This is required administrator rights for installations, then click yes. After, you can see this is totally extracting driver to your system. Now you can see here this is installing audio driver. So it is done. After, you can see it is downloaded. Okay, close it. Chipset. So you can see this is EMD chipset driver. Just click to download. It is start downloading here. You can see. So it is done. Just single click to open chipset driver and double click to exe. After, you can see this is allow for require administrator rights for the installations. Then click to yes. Now you can see this is installations start. Then it is done and close it. LAN driver and click to download. Then just click to open and double click to exe. Then yes. Then it is done and closed. Bluetooth driver. So this is Bluetooth driver. You can see this is Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, both are available in this. Then guys, click open this Bluetooth driver. Then click to yes. Click to yeah, click yes. No. Then it is done and close. Wi-Fi driver, and this is Wi-Fi, and click to download. Open after downloaded, and then just double click and give to X, you know. Yes, so you can see this is Wi-Fi driver also installed, and then close it. Then USB. Now you can see USB driver and click to download. Then open USB drivers to double click on exe. Now you can see this line connector of USB's driver installing, and then closed.